What is going on, guys? My name is Tab. You're watching Mr. Short. Hope you guys are all well. Today I'm on my way to Asda. The reason being because आज बच्चों दी फरमाइश सी आज chicken parmesan बनाओ. Chicken parmesan बनाने वास्ते we need some cheese and some mozzarella, the proper mozzarella. So all that चले हम. Chicken ते है, chicken ते बन गया. उन बस की कहते ने छोटियां जड़ियां ये छोटियां मोटियां चीज़ां कहते हैं छोटियां मोटियां चीज़ां ने ना वो लैन चले आओ चलो जी तुहानू आसदा खड़ी है and show you the way how to get there. Two more on the left. The weather is amazing, guys. Look at it, bright as hell. So we're here at Asda now. I'm just gonna vlog my way in. Is that the only flavours left, is it?
Only flavours left.
That's what we've got, some prime in Asda. Wow. I've got 3 bottles, I thought, you know what, why not? Here we go. It's the new mango flavour, guys. Mango flavour. So not sure, guys, if I should be buying that prime because of what KSI's recent burst out about saying the P word. But then again, it's Ramadan and we should always give forgiveness, guys, during this month, inshallah. ਭਾਂਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮੋਜ ਆਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਭਾਂਡਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਵੜ ਜਾਓ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ you can't get out of it. Asda ਵਾਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲੈ ਲਈਏ. Now it's time to get the proper mozzarella, guys, which is this one here, I think. Look at this one here. I don't know how much are they? They're quite small inside. I think the ones in Morrison's are much better. So we get this one. I only picked up strawberries, so time to pick up some grapes. Can't go wrong for 70p for a bag of pears. लेकिन वो सही इतनी ऑरेंज जूस होते बस डाइल्यूट होगा ना हमेशा क्यों थी ठीक सी यार दी सुनी मेरा सी चलो फिर लेके चलो check these bottles out, they've gone proper thin. Yeah, 2490 millimeters. I'm sure they've reduced that. Look at that, how thin it is. You never used to be that thin. Never used to be that thin before. Bloody hell. I know they have to think about their pockets, but bloody hell, even we have to think about ourselves as well, guys. You know what I mean? Huh? And one of the main reasons we're here is because it's Naman's birthday today, and he's 17 years old, so he's not too fussed on what he wants, what cake, so we're just going to pick up anything. He said just choose anything, so any cake, but yeah, so that's what we're going to get. And in the meantime, happy birthday, Naman. What dessert do you want, Naman? Let's choose the cakes that we want.
White chocolate. But how can you, how can you put the icing on? How can you put the icing
Yeah, of course, but we'll try it. Cold toast.
Cover to this time.
We've got too much choice here. Too much choice of cakes. And obviously you need to be careful that it doesn't have alcohol in it or gelatine. So let's see.
Yeah, दो तरह का.
We've got that chocolate and chocolate. Half. Yani eşit havalı. That looks nice. Oh, a million. Yeah, every time that does it. I think you like that one. No, all the bosses don't even get more spider. Yeah, I don't think he wants that. I think that's something that Zaki will have. So Naman, we got yourself a cake. Naman's cake is done now. Now it's time to get some samosa or something like that, I think. Let's check the frozen section, guys. Let's go. Ice cream. There she go. Ete gider nasıl ya? Ete nasıl basın diye, gıcı basın diye. Fish fingers, actually got fish fingers. Yeah, Christmas. İki euro, iki kişi gibi. Chicken tikka pasta. These are well nice, guys. These ones. The peri ones were even better, but I think they stopped doing that. Peri ones, huh? Chicken tikka slice. Yeah, try it on them. Yeah. We don't know what it's going to be like until we taste it, so why not buy it?
Yeah, the lamb keema paratha. नहीं मसेगा.
Lamb वाला तो है वो. Maybe Peshwari chutney kebab as well. Remember that katsu curry that I got last time? Never again. Never again. Yes, that's what we're getting. A thin pizza. Cheese and tomato. I thought they never did it because I thought it was only Morrison's. I think I just found one in between all these pepperoni ones. पीछे नंबर 7 नंबर 7 को नहीं हो रहा था बशा के 6 5 ते 1 no number 7 I think. You can find number 1, number 3, number 4, number 5, but no 7s unfortunately. Oh well. So I can't find those candles in the numbers, so I'm going to get these ones instead. There's 18 candles, gold and silver, so that'll do. We'll just put those on instead. We're done now. This is what we've got so far, guys. today this place was packed out, guys. I'm telling you, jam packed. Obviously it's Good Friday as well, so everyone's trying to get their shopping done. Then you've got the bank holiday Monday that's coming in, so it's gonna be crazy. Here we go. Chill out, I'm not gonna do that. Oh well, don't know what to do. There's a car next to me and there's a dog inside, and they've shut all the windows. No, they haven't. No, they haven't. It's my mistake. The windows are that much open, so I'm sure they can open that a little bit more in this car here. But hey, you know, at the end of the day, a life is a life. So time to head off home now, guys, and get those parmesans into the oven, get them made, get them done, and then hopefully, inshallah, we should be ready for Iftari. Hopefully we've got enough time for Iftari. Fantastic, here we go. Chalo ji. The weather is actually amazing, not fantastic, it's amazing. Amazing weather, guys. It's so bloody warm when you sit into the car. Got my window open for this. Forgot my shades in my other car. I think what I need to do is put those shades into this car. So, you know, sorry, booking the show, money, Bandiana. Get your glasses on, get your shades on, and so on and so forth. So we're on the way home now, guys. God, chaliye. You think you're going to spend so much in the shop, but you end up spending a lot longer. Chalawa na gadi. Home sweet home, home sweet home. Time to get the parmesans made, guys. So the chicken has been fried and did all the coat and everything, so they've been done. Making the marinara sauce, the sauce that sits on top of the chicken, and then you've got your cheese, and it's all gonna taste amazing, fantastic. Let's see, what's the garden saying? Oh. You know what? आज कपड़े भी फटाफट सूख जाने ने. आज कोई बना नहीं.
बना ना वीडियो ओवर मारो ना चल.
Oi. Astaghfirullah. Tell me to Hoover. Eh? Oh yeah, I've got done over there, guys. I've got done over. This is saying to me, Hoover maro na. You know what? Why not? While she prepares the parmesan, I'll do the hoovering. It doesn't bother me a bit. But yeah. Oh, Zaki! Sada Zaki, hi Zaki. Yeah, Zaki, what are you doing? Oh, what are you watching? Have you got your Samsung tablet out? Oh. So, this tablet has got a bit of a story to it. So the school that Zaki goes to, they were getting rid of some of their tech stuff, probably because, I don't know exactly why, I forgot the reason now. But anyway, that tablet that Zaki's got, they were selling that, and we got it for 20 quid. So that's how much it was waiting for. So yeah, what a bargain, eh, for a tablet. Yeah, Zaki's got a goodie. Chalo ji, let's over tomorrow, and then we'll come back. later on. Right guys, that time has come. It's 6 o'clock, I think it is, or just after 6. And I'm about to prepare the chicken parmesan. And I've got everything in front of me, all the ingredients. All it needs now is just laying down into the oven dish and then into the oven. And jobs are good. I've got the marinara sauce, I've got my mozzarella, I've got the normal cheese as well, and I've got the chicken parmesan. And that's all we need, guys. Them are all the ingredients that we need. And obviously the dish. So first you spread the marinara sauce onto the dish. I've placed the chicken into the dish. Now I've placed some more of the sauce, the marinara sauce, on top of the chicken. Sprinkle some cheese on top of the sauce and on top of the chicken. You top it off with your mozzarella cheese. Put this bad boy into the oven at the bottom and put that on gas mark 5. All you got to do is just let it cook. The first set of parmesan is done, guys, and I've got it right in front of me. Here we go. I'm just going to give you a bit of a cinematic shot. Why not, eh? I'm going to show you what my wife has made so far at the moment. Let's go. Chips, pizza and chips, and obviously with the parmesan. The thing is with this parmesan, the kids absolutely love it, especially the two eldest, Adam and Numan. Even me, to be honest with you. I think they know pasande. So we absolutely love it, and it gets made quite often, to be honest with you. There's someone in the street who sent this. Jazakallah very much, thank you. I think we've got some either kebab rolls or sausage rolls. Then we've got a pasta which has got chicken and vegetables in it. Looks nice, looks amazing. Yeah. Guess what's on my plate today? Hey, shall we play a guessing game? I'm sure you all know now. You have a chicken parmesan, you have some chips, and we have the vegetable lasagna that's come from someone in the street, and that's my meal today.
Really? No. Oh, spider! There's a spider! Look, it's not that. Look up! Spider there. Look up.
Do it to me then. Zaki, do it to me.